Hi students, my name is T. Rajbabu, Maths, APRS School, Narsipatnam. Okay, today discuss to simple equation. What is the simple equation? An equation in one variable. An equation in one variable with highest power 1 known as a simple equation. What is the simple equation? What is the simple equation? An equation in one variable with highest power 1 known as simple equation. What is the simple equation? An equation in one variable with highest power 1 known as a simple equation. Example, 3x minus 2 equal to 40. 3x minus 2 equal to 40. 3 is a coefficient. X is a variable. 2 and 40 constant term. Okay. 3x minus 2 equal to 40. If 3 is a coefficient, x is a variable, 2 and 40 is equal to constant term. Solution: 3x minus 2 equal to 40. 3x minus 2 equal to 40. 3x equal to 40 minus 2 transpose and becomes a plus 2. 3x equal to 40 plus 2 is equal to 42. X equal to 42 by 3. 3 ones are 3 14. X equal to 40. Okay. 3x minus 2 equal to 40. X value, find the x value 14. Substitute the x value. X equal to 14 minus 2 equal to 40. 3 14s are 42 minus 2 equal to 40. 42 minus 2 40 equal to 40. The solution: what is the simple equation or root equation? Applications of simple equation. The concept of a simple equation is connected to other chapters like geometry, data handling, business maths. Also with other subjects, science and economics. What is the applications of simple equation? The concept of simple equation is connected to other chapters like geometry, data handling, business maths. Also with other subjects, science and economics. Let us discuss to some problems. X plus 20% of x equal to 60. Define the value of x. X plus 20% means 100. Percent means 100 of into x equal to 60. X plus 20% means 100 into x equal to 60. 20 ones are 25. X plus 1 into x by 5 equal to 6. Take a LCM. 5x plus x equal to 60. 5x plus x is equal to 6x by 5 equal to 60. Cross multiplication. 6x equal to 60 into 5. X equal to 6 into 5 by 6. 6 ones are 6 tens are. 10 into 5 50. X is equal to 50. X value 50. Under problem, find the value of x in the following picture. Is a right angle triangle. Is a right angle triangle of two angles. What? Right angle triangle. Is 90 degrees. Right angle triangle 90 degrees. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. One angle, another angle. Sum of two angles ante x minus 10 plus 2x plus 25 equal to 90. X plus 2x is a 3x minus 2 plus 25 minus 2 plus 25 plus 15 equal to 90. 3x equal to 90 plus 15 transpose and becomes a minus 15. 3x equal to 19 minus 15 75. X equal to 75 by 3. 3 ones are 3 25. X equal to 25. Again, is a right angle triangle, two angles, one angle, another angle. What right angle is equal to 90 degrees. Sum of two angles is equal to 90. One angle and another angle. X minus 10 plus 2x plus 25 equal to 90. X plus 20. X plus 2. 2x is equal. X plus 2x is equal to 3x minus 10 plus 25 plus 50 equal to 90. 3x plus 15 transpose and becomes a minus 15. 3x 19 minus 15 is equal to 75. The x is equal to 25. Another problem, to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to centigrade, we use the formula F minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 into C. If C is equal to minus 40 degrees, then we find the F value. This formula F minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 into C. Substitute the C value minus 40 degrees. Find the F value. F minus 32 equal to 9 by 5 into, what is C value? Minus 40. Minus 40 degrees. F minus 32 plus into minus minus plus into minus 9 into 40 by 5. ಇದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. F minus 32. 5 ones are 5 8 equal to plus into minus minus 9 8 jar 72. F equal to minus 72 minus 32 transpose becomes a plus 32. F is equal minus 72 plus 32 minus 40. F is equal to 40. Next, another problem. The sum of three consecutive even number is 54. Find the numbers. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 54. We find the number. The first number be a x. The first number is a be a x. Second number x plus 2. Third number x plus 4. Sum of three consecutive numbers equal to 54. Sum of three consecutive numbers equal to 54. The first number is x, second number x plus 2, third number x plus 4. x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to 54. X plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 54. 3x equal to 54 plus 6 transpose there and becomes a minus 6. 3x equal to 54 minus 6. 54 minus 6 is 48. The x value x equal to 48 by 3 ones are 3 16. X equal to 16. First number x equal to 16. Second number x plus 2. Find x value 16. 16 plus 2 equal to 18. Third value x plus 4. X value enta 16. 16 plus 4 equal to 20. The first number of x, second number of x plus 2, third number of x plus 3. The sum of three consecutive number is 54. First number, second number, third number. First number x, second number x plus 2, third number x plus 4 equal to 54. X plus x 2x, 2x plus x 3x, 2 plus 4 6 equal to 54. 3x equal to 54 plus 6 transfer to minus 6. 3x 54 minus 6 equal to 48. X value 16. First number x is equal to 16. Second number x plus 2. X is equal to 16. 16 plus 2 18. Third number x plus 4. X plus 4. X value 16. 16 plus 4 20. Another problem. In a class of 48 students. In a class of 48 students. Number of students 48. The number of girls is 1/3 of the boys. 1/3 of the boys. Let the number of boys x. Let the number of boys x. Number of girls one-third of boys x 1/3 x into 1 x by 3. Total student total students boys and girls. Boys x plus girls x by 3. Total student is equal to 48. Total students x plus x by 3 equal to 48. The LCM 3x plus x equal to 48. 3x plus x is equal to 4x by 3 equal to 48. 4x by 3 equal to 48. Cross multiplication. 4x equal to 48 into 3. X equal to 48 into 3 by 4. 4 ones are 4 12. X equal to 12 into 13. Into 36. Let the number of boys x. Number of girls x into 1/3 or 1/3 the number of boys. Okay, 1 by 3. X into 1 x by 3. Total student 48. Total student boys are girls is 48. Boys x plus girls x by 3 equal to 48. LCM 3x plus 4 by 3 equal to 48. 3x plus x equal to 4x by 3 equal to 48. 4x by 3 equal to 48 is cross multiplication. 4x equal to 48 into 3. X is equal to 36. Boys and one boys. X equal to 36. Girls x by 3. X value 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3 12. Boys 36. Girls length of a rectangle is 4 meters less than 3 times its breadth. Find the perimeter of rectangle is 32 meters. Then find its length and breadth. Let the breadth of rectangle x, the length of a rectangle four meters less than 3 times breadth x into 3 less than 4, 3x minus 4. Perimeter of rectangle 32. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of rectangle 32. 2 into length 3x minus 4. Breadth x. 32 equal to 2 into 3x minus 4 plus x. 32 equal to 2 into 3x plus x, 4x minus 4. 2 ones are 32, 16. 2 16 are 32. 16 equal to 4x minus 4. Minus 4 transport and becomes a plus 4. Plus 4, 16 equal to 4x. 4 plus 16, 20 equal to 4x. 4 ones are 4, 5. X equal to 5. X equal to 5. Breadth x. X value 5. Length 3x minus 4. 3 into x value 5 minus 4. 3 into 5, 15 minus 4 equal to 11. Okay students, today I discussed two example problems and exercise 3.4. Some problems. Remaining problems are your homework. Okay, thank you students, all of you, thank you.